A beginner's guide to soaking floral foam wreaths. Fill your container with room temperature water. Place the foam wreath on top of the water and let it float. Do not push it down. This allows the foam to soak naturally and evenly. Let the wreath sit in the water for 1 to 5 minutes. Wait times will depend on the size and brand of your wreath. Once fully soaked, carefully lift the wreath out of the water to avoid damaging the structure. Pro tip: insert your stems at an angle to anchor them better.